it's me, Mariah. Hi, my name is Mariah Serenity Touches, and I'll tell you how to spell Serenity. S-E-R-E-N-I-T-Y.
Okay guys, so a company called Lightake.com reached out to us asking if we'd like to review some of their fidget spinners and give our honest opinion about them.
So yeah, they sent us the really cool fidget spinners. And look.
So how many did they send us? They sent us how many?
1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 5, because this one over here. It's unboxing. I took it out. Look guys, and guys, look at this one. Here's a light up one. And guys, this is my favorite fidget spinner out of all the others. Look guys, this one's made out of metal. Look it. Ooh. It's like an iridescent color. Look. There's hearts on them. Here's 1 little heart, 2 little hearts, 3 little hearts. Looks like a bow. Ooh, so pretty. Let me show you all of the other ones. Let's close this one out. Actually, guys, let's see if we can do a handstand with them. Okay, let's see. Let's keep this one out. Oh, guys, look, this one looks like a clock. Look, guys, this is my favorite too. And I got 2 more open. Wait, open it. Uh-oh. And look, guys, look at this one. It's kind of heavy. And this part is made out of metal. All of this is metal. Ooh, so cool. Okay, guys, let's look at the other ones. Okay, let's put this one here. Keep these here. And look, guys, I got this one. Look, it's like a pink violet. What color is this? Like moire or something?
It's like a metallic
pink moire.
Not necessarily. It's like a metallic.
Kind of looks like moire.
Yeah, it could be pink moire. Yeah.
Yeah, this is kind of like pink moire.
Maybe a pink violet.
This is a pink moire violet. Ooh, so cool. Okay, guys, the last one. Put this one. Okay, that one turned off really fast. And guys, this one is a cube. This is different from all the other fidgets. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at it. Look. Let's check it out, okay? Ooh, so scared.
Ooh.
So pretty. I didn't get to spin it. Look, guys, look. It spins like this. Ooh. Look at them spin, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to do a handstand. with them. So guys, you can't just do like this. No, it's like this. Look, you get this one. So guys, I'm going to give this one and this one away, and I'm going to keep these. I really want to keep all of them, but seeing is caring. Okay, so I think I have 2 slippery ones. Oh, I think this one's not going to stay on. Actually, why don't we just switch them up? Because it's not going to stay, and then they're going to break. Metal breaks. Plastic doesn't. Cardboard doesn't. Okay, let's put... why don't we separate this? If I put this one on, then it's not going to balance. Let's see. I think this one's a heavy one. When heavy fidgets get on little fidgets, they won't stay on. Oh wow, look at they can move. I didn't even know that. What in the heck? I don't know. Well, I hope they don't fall. Oh! Let's see if we can spin all of them together. Separate them. Wait, we didn't turn. Wait, come on. Oh! Dang. Did it break? Nope. Didn't break. Ooh, so cool. Let's spin them again. Let me just turn on the lights and see. Wait, come on, turn on. Yeah. Guys. And the last one has to be spin is this one. This one doesn't really spin, guys. You have to spin it. I'll accept these by accident. Woo! Let's see what we can do in 5. Spin it fast. Yeah, know what to find. Oh, let's not do that. Guys, let's not do that. It'll probably break. Oh yeah, guys. Look at the tin. It comes with a tin can. Look, it's so cute. It's a little. So yeah, guys, you can store your little fidgets in here so you don't lose them. Look, guys. And guys, I know something that we can do. I can do a handstand. I figured it out now. So look, we're gonna open this up. So it's gonna spin on here, and then you put the fidget. Wait, I'm gonna put the big fidget on, and then you spin the other fidget. Oh, I did the handstand. Okay, let's see. Whoa! Okay, guys, if you love these cool fidget spinners, check out their website.
That's right. Check out their website, and we will leave the link down below in the description box. Lightake.com.
Yeah. Okay, guys, since I love you, we're going to be giving 2 fidgets to 2 lucky subscribers. Is that so exciting? And guys, we're going to send in your mailbox. And guys, we're going to be so amazed. We're going to be freaking out. Be like freaking out. So all I have to do to win these fidget spinners is this. Subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our other channel that's called Mimi's World, and type in this. Say this. I want to win these fidget spinners. Okay, guys? That's all you have to do. That's simple, okay? And guys, I'll tell you what simple means. Simple means easy. Easy peasy, squeezy peasy. Peasy, peasy.
You are something else.
Oh, look, guys. Easy, squeezy, peasy, easy, beasy. Please. Thank you, Lightake.com. Thank you for all these fidget spinners. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look inside my fidget. Look inside my fidget. Look deeply, look closely. What do you see? Will you get 100 toys from me? Every single day. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't need all those toys. I have enough toys.